Hello students, welcome to Sant Tukaram National Model School's YouTube channel. Myself Mr. Abhilash Jadhav, and once again I welcome you to the class 5 science where we are studying about forest as shelter. Forest is the shelter for millions of the species of animals and of plants. So we called the forest as a shelter. Dear students, in last two videos, we have learned about the importance of the forest and how forest is home for the animals and plants. Now today, we'll take certain basic information about the various different types of the forest. We find out around every corner of the world what are the types of the forest and about the two basic types of the forest. Information about the two basic types of the forest we'll get in this video. So let us start. So here we will see what are the various types of the forest. Before that, it is very important for us to understand the why do we find out the various different types of the forest around the world, why there is no similarity between the forest around the world. So we have to find out that, and for the means if you have a question like that, I have an answer for your question. The answer is that forests are classified according to their nature and composition. Okay, this is the one thing. Second thing, come to the answer, the type of the climate in which they grow, because around the world, at different places in the world, the climate is different kind of the rainfall is there, different kind of the soil is there, a different kind of the temperature is there. So because in the variations in the climatic conditions, we find out the different types of the forest, okay, and their relationship with the surrounding environment. Because of these reasons, we find out the different types of the forest. Then the next question is, what are the different types of the forest? As you can see on at the screen, the different types of the forest includes the tropical evergreen forest, to which we can also call as the rainforest, tropical deciduous forest, broad-leaved forest, coniferous forest, mangrove forest, and thorny bushes or thorn forest. These all are the different types of the forests are there. We'll see about the evergreen forest. Evergreen forest is consisting of entirely or mainly of the evergreen trees. The trees which remains green throughout the year, those trees you will find out in the evergreen forest. These kind of the forest mostly we will find out near the equator. Okay, the trees in the evergreen forest have the broad leaves. Okay, so that they will be able to release the excess water through the transpiration. In India, where do we find out the evergreen forest? So we will find out them on the western ghats of the India. It includes the states like the Maharashtra, Kerala, and Karnataka. We find out these evergreen forests in India, also in Assam and Arunachal Pradesh. Okay. The next thing, the second type of the forest, basic information about this type of the forest also we'll take, and this is the deciduous forest. These deciduous forest we find out in the region with a moderate amount of the seasonal rainfall, means the areas which mainly get the monsoon rainfall, seasonal rainfall is there in those parts of the world, especially in the Southeast Asia. Okay, in the Indian subcontinent, you will find out these kind of the deciduous forest where the seasonal rainfall is there. These trees, the speciality of these trees is that these trees or the trees in the deciduous forest, they shed their leaves during the winter, late winter months, and in the months of the summer, these trees they shed their leaves. So here in this part of the video, we'll stop here. Thank you so much.